If we could look to the stars.
Hello? Is this thing on? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a BARKBOX unboxing with my Goldendoodle Sherman. And he's so interested in what's in the box. So if you're wondering why my hair looks so nice and put together today, it's because I got it done today. No personal space, am I right? Anyways, I got my hair done today, and if you're curious, I just get highlights and she just trimmed it up. I got my layers like resituated, and that's basically it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this BARKBOX unboxing. So I've been getting BARKBOX, if you're new here, since I would say maybe like last fall, maybe last September or August. I like it. Would I resubscribe? I'm not sure. I think I might try something different next year or at the end of this year when this one is up. But Sherman really enjoys the treats, and it saves me from having to buy new toys a lot. So I have absolutely no idea what's in here. So this is what it looks like. Sherman is going to be all up in my business in this video, by the way. This is what it looks like. So let's open it up. Okay. This looks like some sort of like a Renaissance something. I don't know, but here it is. Sorry, it's focusing on me and the box and it doesn't know what to do. So let's go ahead and get the paper out. The paper says Shakespeare in the park. Wait, what? The paper says Shakespeare in the dog park. So it has this picture, this cute little picture. And then when you open it up, it tells you, I love how it tells you like all the toys that are available, so you can buy them if you want, and they also sell them at Target. And, aw, there's a cute little doggy. Look at that little doggy. So, this is like a Shakespeare Renaissance kind of thing. So this is the first toy, Hamlet, Prince of Denmark. And this is, oh, I guess this is just Hamlet. So, this has a crinkle and disc squeaker. So, his little tail crinkles and his body crinkles. And he squeaks, so let's take his little tag off. Okay, ready? Go get it. Also, we are awaiting a possible tornado storm situation right now. It is, what day is today? Tuesday, April 18th that I'm filming this. And we're supposed to get some really bad weather tonight, so I'm really praying that nothing bad happens, but I'll keep you posted. This is the first little bag of treats. These are called Berry Wives of Windsor, peanut butter and blueberry dog treats. Oh my gosh, he is going to love these. And as always, they're wheat, soy, and corn free. They're really good about like not having irritating ingredients in their treats for dogs that might not be able to tolerate these things. Sherman doesn't have any allergies, but he's really, oh my gosh. I've said this before, but I love when the dog treats smell like something I could eat. These smell like cookies. Oh my gosh. He loves little cookies like this. Sit. Oh, he's so good. Here you go. He's so gentle. Okay. Oh, are you gonna eat it? He's gonna take it. He likes to take his treats other places. He actually chewed up his bed the other day, so he always takes his treats to his bed. But since he chewed up his bed, I was like, Sherman, you're not gonna get any more beds, because this is his like 4th bed, I think. So we're not buying another one for a while, but he only uses his bed to take treats too. It's not like he really uses it to sleep or anything, but he's lost his bed privileges. Okay, I see something really cute, Sherman. This is the little thing that goes around their neck, and it's called a Ruff Collar. We hereby give your dog this ruff. Yes, it's really called a ruff. Put it over your pup's head and take a BARKBOX day photo or an exceptionally fancy walk. So this is a bonus item that they have sent. So I'm gonna cut off the little tag here, and let's put this on him. Sit. Good boy. Oh, oh, he's fancy. Can I have your paw? Paw. Paw. He's thinking about it. Sherman, paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. I think he's mad at me. Look at this handsome boy. He's got his collar on. Sherman. Oh my goodness. He doesn't know what to do. Don't know what to do, huh? Okay, I had to take a brief little intermission to take a picture of Sherman for my Instagram. And let's see. So, I'm gonna leave that on him and see if he will let me leave that on there. Okay, the next treat Sherman is loves Labor's lamb. Lamb and passion flower dog treat. Did I show you guys the other bag? I don't think I did. This is what this bag looks like, and this is what this bag looks like. So, this is called Love Labor's Lamb. This one is wheat, soy, corn, and grain-free. Aw, these are in the shapes of little hearts. Look at this. Look how cute that is. Oh, here you go. Goodbye. So, I'm sure he's gonna love that. I have never heard of passion flower. Have any of you heard of passion flower? I have not. Okay, so the second toy in here, he is gonna love this. I already can tell you, and I don't think it's gonna last very long, but this is the Bark Anthony's Scroll. And it has a disc squeaker, crinkle, and t-shirt rope. So, this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It says, friends, Romans, country mutts like me, your rears. Super cute. And this little thing crinkles, and then, oh my goodness. It's got two little squeakers in there, and then it has like rope at the top and the bottom. He loves rope toys that you can like pull, right? Do you love it? Go get it. He's really gonna like that toy. Okay, so there's only one thing left in here, and I have a funny story about these. So this is the Jones Natural Chews Lamley Links, and Sherman got one of these in one of the previous bark boxes, and I don't know what it is about this. I think because it's kind of like, it reminds you of like a sausage. It looks like this. I took it out of the packaging, and you guys know Sherman will eat anything. Like, he has no preference really. Like, he loves food of all kinds. And I gave it to him, and he kept getting angry with it. Like, he would lick it, and he would like spit it out, and he would look at me, and he was like, he was like crying. And then I was like, what is wrong with it? So I broke it in half, and I realized that the sausage sort of thing, it's not really a sausage, but it kind of is, has like a casing on it, almost like a hot dog would. And so I had to like peel it off, and then he ate it. So just in case your dogs are really picky and weird like mine, I had to like kind of open it further out of the packaging. So yeah, but he still ate it, and I really like stuff like this that's hard and chewy because I save it. He just sat because he wants it, because it gives him something to do when I need him to do something. This video I think is going to be kind of short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I film these every month if you want to subscribe and come back for more BARKBOX unboxings. If you want to see any more videos with this boy, let's finish it vlog style, Sherman. If you want to see any more videos with me, then let my mom know and she will do it. Isn't his little tongue so cute? Oh my goodness, Sherman. Say hi, welcome to my vlog. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you consider subscribing on your way out. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
What am I doing?